So this is banana cereal. Basically, you take a banana. This can be frozen or super ripe like this. It's actually looking a bit more damaged because I was grabbing onto it, cycling back. So you can use a spoon or whatever and just cut up the banana pieces like this. And this is cereal, banana cereal. Did I say that already? Basically, it's banana cereal. You cut it into the pieces. This is circular discs, okay? And this is what happens, what to do if you don't have a cereal. You can make cereal out of bananas actually, and like with oats and stuff. But this is just the quickest one. So let's just do one banana for a quick tutorial. So then you want to take some sugar. However much you like. I mean, these bananas are really sweet. I would say they are. And then I have some soy milk here. Pour it in as you normally would. And you know me, I like to add water to mine, which I have a fresh bottle here. And I like to dilute my stuff. You know that already. And try it. And try it now. You can have it hot. You can have it whatever. You can mush it up. Just to get it like a smoothie. That's what I'm talking about.